Economists like to look at a lot of different statistics to see how the economy is doing. But we also like to talk to businesses themselves. And what we find is that different sectors are navigating macro headwinds a little differently. At a glance, the numbers seem strong, but once we zoom in, we see that something's not quite working. Let's start by looking at two strategically important sectors: construction and manufacturing. These two sectors are key to growing our economy and building lasting wealth. But in ramp spend data, these firms are cutting their spending, not growing it with new investments and purchases. Some businesses have told us they've paused all capital spending, waiting to see where new tariffs land. Every month they wait is machinery not bought, factories not upgraded, growth that doesn't happen. For 2 years, AI investment has been the bright spot. VCs writing checks, tech giants stocking up on chips, all betting that businesses will pay for the latest AI models, and they were, until they weren't. The risk isn't that tech goes bust, it's that it pivots. When model companies shift from invent to monetize, R&D slows, and with it the productivity gains the entire economy is banking on. If we want the next productivity wave, smart factories, cheaper housing, world-class AI, private markets won't carry the load alone. We need the public side of the partnership. Look, we've been here before. Railroads, highways, the internet, each wave stalled until public and private interests finally pushed in the same direction. We're at that hinge point again, and the decisions we make will write the productivity curve for decades to come. Read our full report at ramp.com/data.